Tashitele, all the students. So this is the video for first day, okay? So first we will do the conversations or greetings. So in English we say hi or hello. In Tibetan we say Tashi Delek. Tashi Delek. Second, good morning. Shokpa Delek. Shokpa Delek. And then good afternoon. Nyingkhung Dele. Nyingkhung Dele. Then good evening. Gongto Dele. Gongto Dele. And then see you later. Jela Jelyong. Jela Jelyong. Okay, and good night. In Tibetan, Simja Nangku. Simja Nangku. Okay, so this is the conversation what we did on first class. Okay, and then now I will do the alphabet sound. Okay, so first one ka, high tone, ka. Second one ka, aspiration, ka. And then third one ka, ka. Fourth one nga, nga. Okay, then second row. First one cha, cha. Second one, okay, cha, cha. And then third one, cha, cha. Okay, fourth one, nya, nya, nasal sound, okay. And then third row, first one, ta, ta. Second one, ta, ta. Okay, third one, ta, ta. Fourth one, na, na. Okay, fourth row, first one, pa, pa. Okay, then second one, pa, pa. Third one, pa, pa. Fourth one, ma, ma. Okay, then next row, first one, za, za. Second one, ca, ca. Okay, third one, za, za. And then fourth one, wa, wa. Okay, then next row, first one, sha, sha, low tone. Okay, and then sa, sa. Okay, third one, ah, ah. And then fourth one, ya, ya. Okay, next row, first one, ra, ra. And then second one, la, la. Okay, la. And then third one, sha, sha, high tone, sha. Okay, then next one, sa, sa. Okay, last two, first one, ha, ha. And then next, last one, ah, ah. Okay, so